Hey guys, this is Jeck from the Jeck Setter. So what are we doing today? As you can see behind me, I have a pile of clothes. Well, it's everywhere. My goal today is to clean up my closet as inspired by Eminem.
Cleaning out my closet one more time.
What are the equipment that you need to clean out your closet? Let's start with headphones. If not, your trusted speaker. Doesn't have to be branded, it just needs to work. Because I believe you will need good music to go through your pile of clothes. I just think you need it. And of course, your clothes that you need to go through one by one. And lastly, strong willpower. You gotta have it, girl or boy. You gotta have it. Because as you go through all these clothes, so you will be reminiscing about the good times and the bad times, and the times you regret buying that stupid sweatshirt. Yes. Today is a day of letting go. Let it go. And we have all these reasons in our mind of why we don't want to let go of a particular shirt, dress, shoes, pants, or whatever. And yeah, we always make up excuses like,
Oh, it might fit me next month. I'm gonna go to the gym today, and next month that perfect pants will fit my butt.
or,
Oh, I'll wear that for a Christmas party.
Then you end up working.
and things like that. So you have all these reasons in your mind, but the reality is, it has been sitting in your closet for months or even years. It's really time to let go and move on, move forward, make new room in your place, make new room in your closet for new clothing. You may notice I have added 2 boxes at the back. I got tired in carrying them. Alright, so let's start. You will go through sentimental pieces like this one. This top, I've had it for maybe 5 or 6 years now, and I'm thinking, should I keep it or should I dispose it? I'm not really sure. This is a really nice top, and I think I'm gonna keep it for now. Just continue to go through your items, and oh, what's this? This is a top I bought from Zara. I haven't really worn it yet because I'm waiting to lose a bit more weight, so I think I'm actually keeping it. Yes, I'm keeping it. Sealed my winter clothing, and I can't wait to get them out of the way so I can go through all of my spring and summer clothing and start to get rid of the ones that I don't want anymore. Let's keep going, guys. almost done. Oh my gosh, look. Ta-da! I just have to... those dresses over there, I don't know what to do with them. But yes, we are almost to the finish line. Oh my god, a spider.
But yes, we are almost to the finish line. Oh my god, a fucking spider.
Sorry. A spider crawled up my neck. What the hell? Anyway, let's get back to the show. Yes, now I'm ready to put them back in my closet, to carry all these pieces one by one, do a bit of exercise, and some muscles. There's my muscles. So I have this bag behind me with the clothes that I'm going to donate, and actually it's not just one bag. I have kept like 3 bags in one of our rooms so that when we bring them to a donation center, we just bring them all in one go. Ta-da! So we're all finished for the day. I have cleaned up our living room. They're all in my closet, which I will show to you guys in a few seconds.
Closet stays like this for a long time.
So remember those 5 easy tips to clean up your closet. This is Jeck from the Jeck Setter. I hope you enjoyed my vlog today. I'll see you guys next time. Adios. Bye-bye. If you like what you see, subscribe to me. Yes.
I cannot